Here we are again. I had to go back. Especially when I spotted these. I mean, I was like, oh. Some of the plants are a little wind whipped because of the storm we had. But I think they'll be alright. We got some Tabascos. Got some cayenne. And these look really, really damn close to Habanero Red Savinia. But they are definitely of a habanero. But yes, I got more peppers and I will clean these up. That's turning red beautifully. Come on, camera. Focus. There we go. But lots of peppers everywhere. That's definitely a Ghost Reaper cross just by the look and size of it. That's crazy. And then we got all these gnarly Reapers that I found. Yeah. Looking delish. I told you I was gonna get more. Said like 6 more. There it is. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So, transplant. I'm gonna probably combine the Habanero Red Savinias into one and then the Tabasco Cayenne into one. Maybe a little cross. We shall see. We shall see, but they are looking so yummy. Looking good, looking good. Look at how gnarly that one looks. Yeesh. They look absolutely delicious. There's like 12 or 13 on this plant on the Reaper, and there's 13, 15 on that. There's about a dozen there, a couple there. One riding solo with a flower in the back. And then a handful here. So tell me what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. I think it's about time. Keep the capsaicin holy smokes, caffeine overload. Keep the capsaicin life alive and let it burn, y'all. I'll try that again. Maybe, maybe not. But Wicked One's garden is exploding.